Okay, we're gonna start this one at St. Paul's ruins, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down Macau's this is the busiest street in Macau, so we're gonna walk down it all the way down to Senado Square, and we keep the camera running the whole time. Probably put the camera up in the air quite a bit like this, and we're gonna film it and try to capture it, so stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay. So we're gonna walk down the busiest street. And we're gonna be we're starting at St. Paul ruins, and we're gonna go all the way down to Senado Square. Give you a little context of it. This is St. Paul Street. So St. Paul's ruins is on this little angular St. Paul Street. It goes down that way and this way. The busiest side is this way. And we're gonna hold the camera up while we do it, and I'll explain more. So we just did the busiest section was that one. too busy. Now we're gonna change streets from St. Paul Street to Sao Paulo, which is like Straw Street. Still busy. Okay, so that's a little bit of a break. We're still gonna get to Senado Square, but there's people everywhere. That's St. Cathedral up that way. That goes to the Portuguese consulate. Portuguese bookstore is up that way too. And this is going to be towards Sao Domingos, St. Dominic's. Ooh, boy. See if we have more crowds again, so I'll raise my hand up again. So we're almost at Senado Square. This is St. Dominic's Church, which is equally beautiful. It's all worth seeing. We're gonna highlight that in a moment, so we'll just walk normal for a little bit, and then we're gonna raise the camera up shortly. So yeah, as you can see, there's St. Dominic's. Next one. So now we're entering into Senado Square. Whew. Ooh, sunny. We'll end our video right here when we get up to the So yeah, that's basically Macau's busiest street, as you can see why. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go around to the front of it so you can see the context of it before we end our video. Whew. And we got lots of people taking photos here too. And then yeah, this is Senado Square. To give you a little context. So way down there is this is the post office right here with the dragons on it. Let's go in a little circle here. In a moment. Like that on food, looks pretty cool. So this goes all the way down to Wynn Casino, Lisboa Casino, MGM Casino. That's the main post office in Macau. And then this whole area over here is Senado Square. And there's the Chinese New Year. Let's go down this way. It looks like we can cross the street, so we're gonna cross it. Try to give you another context of it. We got 6 seconds to do that. 3. That's the Senate building. That goes down to Pont 16, all the way down that way. So we basically did Sao Paulo ruins, which was up in that direction. And now we're in this another busy street. This would be another one where you can hold the camera up. And there's crowds that go all the way down here as well. You got the post office. So I'm gonna just go down to the right. Then we're gonna conclude our video in a moment. So there we go. So that was basically where we just went. We went all the way down that way. And we're gonna end our video. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.